was issued on Thursday, the 5th of December 2013, at 8:49 a.m. A flood warning has been issued for the waterside properties between Town Bridge and Haven Bridge in Boston. Flooding is expected. Immediate action required. Flooding is expected for the waterside properties between Town Bridge and Haven Bridge in Boston, including Haven Hall and the Music Center in Boston, from Thursday evening and Friday morning. The time and date of the first forecast high water is 19:32 on the 5th of December 2013. Your safety, home, and possessions are at risk. Act now. We're expecting a tidal surge late on Thursday, the 5th of December, through Friday and into Saturday morning. This will lead to unusually high tide levels along the wash and tidal estuaries. We expect this to result in significant seepage and